Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel Hoffman, and I'm coming to you from my house and starting me a YouTube channel, and hopefully I can make it interesting to y'all for taking cheap and broken stuff and rebuilding it or making it cool for everyone to enjoy, including me, my two boys. I got an 18-year-old, 21-year-old, and my lovely wife. Hopefully she'll be in these videos too, but we'll see from there. But for one to start off with, I have my 2007 Chrysler 300 here. It has a bottom end noise and eating oil pumps. Let me switch this around. Well, I'll just leave it like this. It has a bottom end noise, and I caught it before anything went south. It didn't spin a bearing or anything. Let me shut down this hood because I currently have it tarped off, as you can see there, to keep the sun out of it, since we are down here in Florida, and keep the water from leaking through any cracks and crevices that I have. And once I found out that this here, I had low oil pressure to begin with. Common thing with Chrysler products, they're 2.7 liters. And like I said, I will be rebuilding this. I have all the stuff to rebuild it. I also got a scooter that I've purchased that I rebuilt for one of my friends. It's actually quite cool. Took it from a 50cc and made it a 70cc. Put a 30 millimeter carburetor on it, carbon fiber reed box, and it rips along pretty nicely. It does 50-55. It was doing 35. But also too, like I was saying about the Chrysler 300, in a pinch, we ended up finding another vehicle for us to putt around in, and it would be, let's see here, how do I do this? Okay, we'll do this. Is this automobile right there, as you can see. That is a 2004 Mitsubishi Galant. Let me turn this up like this. Here we go. And let's see. Well, that doesn't